Hi, my name is Jerry McSparron, and I'm with JMAC Engine Shop, and this is another engine completion video. This time it's on a Triumph Spitfire 1300, which is a 1296 cc's, and they were a little earlier than the ones that I usually post on YouTube. But this came out of a 72 Spitfire and belongs to Hoyt, and so Hoyt, this is your engine, and these are your things on the engine, with the exception of the starter and the intake and exhaust and the fan. Everything else belongs to you. So, but it runs very well, and I'm very pleased with it. It's been completely rebuilt, has all new bearings and pistons and rings, and the crank has been turned and balanced, or the whole rotating assembly has been balanced, and the rods and the pistons are all weight balanced, and the head has been shaved to 2.99 inches. Originally it was at 3.09 inches, so we took 100 thousandths off of it, and it originally was 7.5 to 1 compression, and now the compression is somewhere around 8.5 to 1. So we did increase your compression. Has a new 270 duration cam, and so it does very well. So the head's been completely gone through. It's got all new guides and valves. The valves have been ground, and it's got new exhaust seats so that it will handle the unleaded gas that we burn. And so with that, I'm gonna start it up and run it for a minute, and it's going to be kind of loud, so I won't talk much, but oil pressure holds at about 75 pounds. When it's really hot, it'll drop down to 70 or 65, which is a high operating pressure. And but I've run it for over an hour, and readjusted the valves and retorqued the head. And so this is the way it'll be when you come to get it, unless you request something else. And so with that, I'm going to start it up and let it run for a minute. I'll speed it up to about 2,500 and 3,000 RPMs after a while, and then we'll close down the video. All right. So there you have it, and it runs well, has good oil pressure. Compression was 135 to 140 across all the cylinders, which would indicate that it probably is getting about 8.5 to 1. That should improve, like I say with all my videos, as things broke in. This is a fresh engine, just like a brand new engine, so it'll have to be broken in, and we'll give you instructions concerning that. So thank you for watching.